We have our VSCode extension of the week. And this week, we're going to be talking about Postman, because Postman has a VSCode extension now. I know you're a Postman fan, presenting on it tomorrow, Daniel. Are you using the IDE extension?
No, because I just saw this last night.
Ooh.
And so I have not played with it yet. But I don't have enough time anyway, because I talk too much. So I will be checking it out.
Okay, so for those who are looking, yeah, it has the basically, I think it's Electron app, so they basically just ported it straight into it. So when you open up an item, you can send it right in VS Code, so you can just basically run your stuff from there. It has all the same benefits of using Postman. You can sign in, so if you're on a free or a basic professional plan, you should be able to load up all your workspaces and everything and just start sending requests. So, make your request, save it.
I both love this, and this is going to mess up VS Code for me because I already have way too many tabs open, and these all open in new tabs, which is great. But I mean, I have new window for Postman. I guess the good news is I can use both, and they all sync. So, but yeah, I love the idea though.
You should check out PostBot if you're doing Postman tests. I discovered that they're a little AI tool that is so awesome. So, anyway.
It's pretty cool. I mean, you can do WebSocket stuff too. WebSocket posts and stuff. Very cool. Yeah. Keeps your history as well, so you could resend them. A lot of cool stuff here. So, all right. We ready for the ForgeBox drawing, Eric?
We are. Here we go. Drum roll. And Thomas McKay, you have won a year subscription to ForgeBox Pro.
Very, very
Gotta
cool.
Go build more stuff now. Come on, okay?
Yeah,
so
you're
again,
saying
reach out to us either on Slack, send us an email, get us your email somehow, and we can get that subscription over for you.
Very cool. And so Joe asked Daniel, does the PostBot use AI? Is that what you said? The PostBot's the test tool, right?
Yeah, it's a little widget within Postman if you go to the tests, because they had some good documentation to click to help write some tests. But if you actually tell PostBot, I want to test my data that as an array with 3 items and the third item has this value, it'll literally write the test for you. And it works. So it's awesome. Yeah, I was blown away.
That is pretty dang cool.
And if you want to come to Wisconsin tomorrow, you'll see a little bit of that in my session.
That was our VSCode hint, tip, and trick of the week. Brought to you by Modernize or Die Podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.